What's up, everybody? My name is Mike Lay all day. I'm from On Point Tech Solutions. And today, I want to show you what you can build for your team to help them market. I've learned something new in high level about AI Studio the other day, and I wanted to share that with everybody so you guys can see what AI Studio can do in the GoHighLevel. This is a brand new product. Essentially, it's a website builder, but it's not just a website builder. It's more of like a app builder, okay? It can connect to your CRM, of course. It can also connect to other programs out there. So I think this is going to be the future of building applications for your business, right? So whether you're a solo business or you have a team or you want to create a team, this is going to be the video for you. And it's going to be something that you guys will be able to use in your business to help increase your marketing efforts. What we can now do in AI Studio is create, obviously, websites, right? And they come out looking very nice. What it's using in the back end is not HTML per se, but it's called something called React. React is basically some mumbo jumbo term for some coding that makes it look a certain way, right? So think about like Apple. Apple uses React. That's what they commonly use in their applications and in their programming. So with React, we can make slightly different type of websites and have cool little programs and applications installed inside. I'm going to show you what I've done with this site called Move Money Safely, and we're going to see what we can do here. So today, I'm just going to hop right into it. I'm going to start showing you. So I built this site out already. As you can see, I got a lot of prompting. I've been building this site for maybe a few days, and we started off with another page and we just kept updating until we got this. In the beginning, I took his old website and I put it into AI Studio and started building it. And along the side as we're going, we decided to build it out as like an affiliate website. So all the phone numbers, the email, the messaging, this is a calendar right here, the picture, and then even a bio can be changed, right? Alongside with some links in between. I'm just going to show you the example, what it is, but here is the original, right? If we come here, here's the original with Ariocha's calendar, his phone number, and all these great things. But now we're going to turn it into Carlos's. Look at this. So now Carlos is in here, and his agent bio has a placeholder, and he also has a quote placeholder right now, but his phone number, his email, his WhatsApp, where he's from, and his calendar has changed. So this is really, really cool, as you guys can see. So what we're doing is we created an affiliate portion to this website where now when you have new agents or have new people come into your business, you can create them a website. So this one's really cool. It has a admin portal, right? And it has even an affiliate portal where they can log in. Imagine I created all of this by prompting it. Guys, this is extremely fast to do accordingly to how long it usually should take. So for me to have built this out with zero engineering skills, I was able to come up with what I wanted by prompting it out to the AI builder, right? So I went through it and made changes, added calendars, and started prompting it. And now it's all connected to the CRM. It's also connected to something called a Supabase. Supabase is essentially another database outside of GoHighLevel that can do more of the coding and keep track of all the edge cases. And those are things that the programming can and cannot do, right? So I don't want to talk too much about that. It's a little bit more technical, but as you're building this, all you have to do is ask questions and then make decisions and do a little research, right? On how do you set these things up. Any project that you start, you just need to plan it out and make sure that the software can do what it can do, right? So I took the time to figure out that we can connect the Supabase to this, and then we can also create this whole affiliate program. And underneath it in the back end, you're able to just kind of log in and get into the dashboard and see everything that's here for them, right? So you can manage your agents, your pages, and even your resources in the back end. We're going to check out the agent dashboard, right? So they can come in here, they can edit their profile, their calendar link, their affiliate links that they have, all that stuff. And this is like a ready to go website for them. So this is one of the newest tools that you can have and create on AI Studio for your team, right? So anyone that comes onto your team, boom, get them a website, get their affiliate links in there, and have them start promoting right away. I think that's going to be an amazing way to utilize this tool to create new software and new ideas to incorporate in your business today. So we love AI Studio. It's been an amazing tool to use, right? So here's another example of a redesign that I'm doing right now on Point Tech Solutions. So we're trying to see what we can build with it, how things look like, right? Look at all this stuff. This was built with one prompt right here. I just copied and pasted this. I answered some questions that are in the prompt, and it was able to create me all of this in one shot. Okay. So that's really cool. It makes things really interesting to see. I love this feature a lot because it makes my life a little bit easier in designing, but you can take it much further. You can take much further than what you think you can. You just have to tell it and see if it can do it, right? If you feed it the right information, fire in, fire out. That's what happens when you prompt really good. A website like this with AI credits only, this is going to cost you nothing to create. Give it a shot. Go to my affiliate link, buy GoHighLevel, see if this is the right software for you to use in your business. This is just one part of the software that GoHighLevel offers, but AI Studio, like I said, is an amazing software program. It's easy to use and it can get the job done pretty quickly. You just have to tell it what to do. Thank you for listening to me, watching this video all the way to the end. This is your boy Mike Lay all day at On Point Tech Solutions, and we'll see you next time.